everyone, welcome to the shop today. We are working on a 2020 Jeep Renegade. These clients purchased this vehicle over the summer, and this is the summer with the car shortage. So it was kind of a quick transaction, didn't get a lot of time to look at the car, think about it, and unfortunately it was when they picked up the vehicle they realized, oh shoot, this car doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So they reached out to us to see if it'd be possible to put that factory 8.4 inch screen in. Now, the trick in these vehicles, you have to keep in mind that the radio is not just the radio, it's really part of the computer network in the car. So it's not as simple as just swapping out parts. You have to have parts that are programmed to the vehicle's VIN, that are communicating with all the other electronics in the car. And the only company I'm aware of that really kind of does this well is Infotainment. They specialize in these OEM upgrades. We do them a lot for the Wrangler JLs and also the older Grand Cherokees. So I reached out to the folks at Infotainment to find out if they had anything available. They let me know that they were in fact beta testing product, and even though it wasn't available for sale on their website, it was available to wholesalers like us. So we asked the client if they were interested in beta testing this product with us to see if we can make this work, and they said, yeah, sign us up. So that's what we're doing today. I'm hopeful that it's gonna work out, but we won't know until we try it. So come along for the ride and let's see what happens.
Sounds incredible.
Hey, can you hear us?
Yeah, perfectly fine.
So it did appear that we were successful initially, but now that I'm sitting here in this car, I'm realizing we have two issues. One is we cannot set the clock, and two is we have a blinking odometer. The blinking odometer is a clear indication that we have a CAN bus communication issue. And that is what these cars do when there's a communication issue in the CAN bus system. So we are going to bring it to the dealership, and they are going to do what's called a proxy alignment. Hopefully that will resolve the issue. This is something Infotainment said we would probably have to do, so it's not too much of a surprise. So we're going to head over to the dealer now and see what they can do. On day 2 of this Renegade 8.4 inch upgrade and back from the car dealership, although I do not have good news. The proxy alignment did resolve the blinking odometer and we're now able to set the clock, but CarPlay has disappeared. We did try resetting the radio, the USB, the Uconnect system by pulling the fuses and putting the car through a sleep cycle. But as you can see right now, I have an iPhone connected to the USB. I can go to source select, but we no longer have all the options we had previously. We can listen to music by selecting iPod, but the actual CarPlay interface is no longer available. I did do some research and I read that under this projection manager, it should show the phone that's connected and allow me to select the device and to turn CarPlay on or off, but there's nothing listed, so it's not going to be a setting. The dealer definitely spent some time trying to reset and reconfigure it, but they told me flat out when this happens, which it does happen, they just replaced the factory 8.4 inch screen. So that's where we're at. We're waiting for a replacement 8.4 inch from Infotainment. You know, supposedly there are about 10 other dealers in the country who've tried this and got it to work. So I'm hopeful it will work in the end. Maybe we just got a faulty radio. It happens. I'm in the electronics business, so it's not unheard of, just disappointing. The other thing we're going to do when this car comes back in is we're going to change out this climate control panel. I'm kind of mad at myself because I didn't even think about this, and we do this with the Wranglers, but you really should upgrade the climate control panel if you're going to attempt this, because look, now that we've changed this, we have no volume knob, right? You have to use the steering wheel controls for your volume up and down, which is kind of annoying. So I ordered the new climate control panel. Once we receive that and the new 8.4 inch from Infotainment, we'll put it all in, and then we're gonna let the car do a sleep cycle, let it sit overnight. Hopefully that's all it's gonna take, but we might have to do another proxy alignment. We won't know until we try it. So that is the update on day 2. We will definitely be making another video once that new screen and climate control panel arrives. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see the conclusion, please remember to click that like and subscribe button, and make sure to turn notifications on so that you will know when the conclusion video is posted. See you guys next time.